Hello everyone, my name is Philip and we are in the SDI 1312 class. I want to talk to you about Project 1, Deliverable 1. Basically what went well was the conditional switches and text joins. It's very much like my experience in C#, so it was pretty easy to pick up for me. I was also able to mix the switches and if conditionals to make the validation for the text choices work. It turned out quite well. And as to what went not so well, I would have to say the math. Having to parse the individual variables not previously defined as numbers, just var, into parse int functions in order to do the math was a little bit more complex than what it was in C# for me. Rounding was also a little bit less intuitive than it was in my .NET years. Because with JavaScript you have to do math to get it to round instead of just specifying how many decimal places you want. I would also say that how does it relate to my previous jobs in life? Well, the really cool thing about JavaScript is it seems to mirror much of the object-oriented programming that C# has. So much of the formatting and structure mirrors what I already know, so really I like it that much. And how did I choose my story? Well, my wife is the author of Elwood's Crown. She published a book. It's currently being sold many different places. So I thought it would be cool to take the main character and his friend out of there and put that into code, since since a lot of the decisions he makes mirror what you can do in code. And how to kind of make this better for Project 2? Well, I would say that I can add more hide and seek features for the crown locations, add a little bit more steps to that as well, make them guess a few more times, for example, re-ask on validation failures, and then if they guess incorrectly, go ahead and ask the question again without having to refresh the page. I think that would be a great thing. And how does it relate to my future job in life? Well, I've never really been that great with web development. I can absorb web services into a program, but making my own websites from scratch, usually only did it with templates. So with HTML5 and JavaScript, I'm looking forward to learning quite a bit more. With that, everything else is done. Have a great one.